We take Uli and we have also used the water back. A largest antelope that is gray to reddish brown in color with white circular rings on its nose. And the thing is, follow me side. So their body is acts as a water repellent and defense mechanism towards predators since they have also a stinky smell. And only may labor, water back.
May pasiripin eh, reaction ninyo sa tourist guide.
So for the lifespan, antelopes can live 20 to 25 years in captivity, while zebras can live 20 and almost 50 years. I belong here.
Is this area we love or something?
Ari kita ilaw.
Yay! Ay! Ay, mong anak ko na reaction. Reaction na ba? Kay voiceless kayo din. Tugay yung laway. Ay, nanim bata na. Inanasan na pagbibit.
Wait up.
Nakita rin animals.
Napanibin.
Ang magiging lang. And we have here the plasma, a reddish brown in color with prominent white place on its face and forehead. They can grow up to 30 feet to 39 inches tall and weighs 15 to 80 kilograms. Originates in African word bless, which means
Mino siya sa risk
and usual white colored marking on its face. So both female and male have horn, plasma, and we have here the blue wildebeest. A largest antelope with a box-like head and curving horns. They have a gray coat and black mix on its face, and they're considered as the clan of the savannah because of its unusual dance move to attract female during mating season. So both female and male have curving horns. And if you are familiar with the movie The Lion King, they are part of that movie during Stampede or the accidental kill that killed Mufasa during Stampede. So blue building.
Sandig din.
Oh, yeah.
Yay!
African savanna is the zebra.
The zebra!
With white stripe, and they can use their stripe to camouflage, confuse, and dazzle predators.
Zebra!
There are no zebras with the same patterns or stripes like our fingerprints.
Nalibang
and
zebra
mostly
eh.
related to horses and ducks. So they
That's
fighting
zebra!
other predators by kicking and biting, and they can also
Kadaghan
sleep
sad sila,
constantly, but with a group para ma-aware sila nga na predators coming.
Nice.
And natay duha ka baby. Ang atong 1-month-old baby zebra, ang atong 2 months the
1 month old baby zebra. No, zebra, no zebra. Bye-bye, zebra.